Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm Nisa News. I hope you'll be fine. I'm telling about 7 times BTS lyrics turned into life lessons. Life goes on tomorrow, spring day, no, love myself and more. From life goes on to spring day, tomorrow on and more. Here are 7 times BTS taught us valuable life lessons through their charming wordplay in their songs. BTS known for their global influence and artistry are much more than chart-topping hits and stunning performance. The K-pop lyrics, often penned by the members themselves, have resonated with millions worldwide, offering comfort, encouragement, and valuable life lessons. Whether it's through tackling social issues, mental health, and personal struggle, BTS have continuously uses their music to speak directly to their listeners' heart. Here are 7 times BTS lyrics turned into powerful life lessons that continues to inspire fans everywhere. Number 1 is Life Goes On. Embrace uncertainty and keep moving forward. Like an echo in the forest, the day will come back around as if nothing happened. When BTS released The Life Goes On, the height of the global pandemic, the world was grappling with uncertainty, loss, and a new normal. The song's message is simple yet profound. No matter how difficult things may seem, life goes on. In these lines, BTS reminds us that tough times are temporary, just as seasons change, hardships too will pass, and there will always be a new dawn. This song encourages listeners to keep moving forward even when the path ahead under feels unclear, a message of hope when it's needed most. But second, tomorrow. Keep dreaming even when it's hard, because the dawn right before the sunrise is the darkest. In tomorrow, BTS delivers a message about perseverance and hope, especially for those struggling with the pressure of youth and adulthood. The lyrics acknowledge the pain and exhaustion accompanying, accompanying chasing one's dream, but emphasize that success often comes after the darkest hours. The metaphor of the darkest hour just before dawn reminds fans that they are often on the brink of breakthrough when things seem most challenging. It's motivative reminder that to say the course and believe in tomorrow. Number third is spring day. Grieving, healing and holding on. If you wait a little longer, if you stay up just a few more nights, I'll go see you. Spring day has become an anthem of longing and loss, but it also carries a powerful message about patience and healing. Inspired by themes of separation and grief, the song encourages listeners to hold on through tough times because eventually they will be reunited with those they miss or find peace in their hearts. The lyrics are a gentle reminder that healing takes time, and even when things seem bleak, there's a spring day waiting in the future, full of warmth and new beginnings. Number 4, no. Breaking free from societal pressures. Every day, say no. It can be any letter. Don't live your life being shackled to others' dream. No is powerful anthem about rejecting societal expectations and pressure. BTS used their track to challenge the rigid structures of education and societal norms that often dedicate young people's lives. Through their lyrics, they urge their fans to break free from these shackles and live authentically, pursuing their own dreams rather than the dreams imposed on them by others. It's a call to action, encouraging listeners to take control of their own destinies and live life on their own terms. Number 5, magic show, finding strength within yourself. One day I hate myself, being myself. One day I want to disappear forever. Let's make a door. It's in your heart. Magic shops serve as a safe haven for BTS and their fans, a place to go when the world feels overwhelming. The lyrics speak directly to those who struggles with life worth and mental health, offering comfort and a reminder that this strength to overcome hardship is already within us. The idea of creating magic shop inside oneself symbolizes a space where we can find solace, self-acceptance, and courage to face our struggles head on. It is a reminder that while life can be tough, we have the power to heal ourselves from within. Number 6, young forever, embracing the beauty of impermanence. Forever, we are young. Even when I fall and hurt myself, I keep running toward my dream. Youth is a central theme in both of BTS music, and Young Forever encapsulates the beauty of living in a moment while also acknowledging the feels nature of youth. The lyrics encourage fans to embrace their mistakes, their pain, and the journey itself rather than fixating on the end goal. It's about understanding that the pursuit of dream it is what keeps us youthful at heart. No matter our age, the lesson here is to cherish the present and find joy in the pursuit even when the road gets tough. Number 7, love myself, the ultimate act of self-care. Yes, shown me I've reason I should love myself. I love yourself. The Love Yourself series becomes a global phenomenon with its central message, love myself being one of the self-acceptance and love. BTS encourage their fans to embark on the sometimes difficult journey to learning to love themselves, flaws and alls. BTS lyrics go beyond catchy hooks and melodies, often turning into life lessons that resonate deeply with fans, whether it's finding hope in uncertainty, preserving through challenges, or learning to love oneself. Their music provides comfort and encouragement. You can also read this notes from the description. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.